Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. And the third thing, this is a reading from 22nd to 31st. I will be soon reading for the whole year, for the next year, 2022. Okay? And I will be online tomorrow. We will discuss about the weekend energy check-in. So let's start right now. Today I want to do it a little differently, okay? Your partner's current feelings for you. Your partner's current feelings for you. Let's see. What is your partner feeling for you? Let's see. What is your partner feeling for you, Taurus? Universe, please guide me for Taurus partners. Current feelings for them. Then afterwards I will do the single readings. Like after these readings, I will do the singles monthly. Taurus partners' current feelings. The Hierophant. See, it is you. It's all about you. Yeah, they're thinking about you. They feel like having a long-term, stable, committed connection with you. I'm not saying marriage with you, but they feel like a higher level of connection with you, a spiritual level of connection with you. Okay, they feel like you are someone who are spiritually connected to them, and they are they are not able to let you go. They are not able to make you go out of their energy, make you go out of their environment, because you guys share a spiritual bond together. This is what they feel for you. They feel that you are a spiritual connection with them. Let's clarify the Hierophant in their feelings. Let's see. Ace of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, this person feels like having a brand new beginning with you, and they feel like they should just wait for the right time. They are just very slow, very slow to come towards you, because they feel like this is spiritual love, this is spiritual connection. They want to have a brand new beginning with you. They feel like having a brand new beginning with you, but they are leaving everything on the universe, and they feel love for you. They feel like, I will go with the flow, I will be very slow, I'll be really slow, because I love them, because they love you, Taurus. That's why. Okay, let me see what's your feelings for them. What do you feel for your partner? Let's see. Three of Pentacles. You want to work on this connection. You want to work on this connection. I have to clarify that this could also be possible that you are right now dating somebody else, and you are just leaving your partner behind, and you are no longer interested in the past person. I have to clarify this, but because I'm asking personally what you feel for this particular person, I feel like you want to work on this connection, and you want to put in effort, put in energy, but only if the other person is ready to do that. Okay, you want this person to work on this connection as much as you work on this connection. Okay, let me clarify the Three of Pentacles and your feelings for them. Universe, please guide me. Ten of Swords and Ten of Cups and the Ace of Cups. See, there was an ending. There was an ending between you guys. Certainly you guys had a fallout together. Okay, now you're feeling like the worst is over. The worst that could happen is over. Now I can restart with this particular person. I feel love for them. I feel like they're my family, and I carry lots of love for them. That's why you are ready to give this connection second chance. Okay, to work on this connection only if they are ready to put in the effort and put in the energy from their side in this connection. Okay, you feel like there should be mutual energy. There should be mutual give and take of energy. You can say mutual work should be there. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Universe, please guide me what Taurus's person wants from them. Let's see what this person wants from you. I'm looking exceptionally beautiful today. I'm so happy. I don't know why. I'm feeling happy. Yeah. God, self-obsessed Taurian. Yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. Lovers, my God. They want this passion back. You could be dealing with a Gemini, could be dealing with a Taurus, or Capricorn or Virgo. Earth sign is all over here. So what they want from you is they want passion. They want passion back in this connection. They want this connection to restart on that level where you guys, the lovers is kind of decision making as well. It is kind of lustful energy as well. It is kind of love kind of energy as well. It is kind of three energies mixed in one card. They want you to ignite the passion again in this connection. They want you to decide something. They want to take some kind of decision. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify. Let me clarify. Four of Cups and Ten of Pentacles and the Fool. Okay. They want you to come out of this confusing state of mind. They feel like you are confused. Right now, you are not able to make any kind of decision regarding this particular situation or particular connection with them. So that's why they want you to take a decision regarding this connection, okay, regarding the stability, regarding the commitment part, regarding the love part of this connection, and take a leap of faith with them, with this particular person. And don't think about the future, don't think about the past. They just want you to reignite the passion again and restart this connection again, and don't think about anything else. Like, don't think about the future, don't think about the past, just go with the flow with them. This is what they want from you, Taurus. This is what this person wants from you. Okay, got it, got it. Let me see, what do you want from them, Taurus? Let me see, what do you want from this person? Let me see, what do you want from this person? Six of Swords. You want a peaceful resolution from this person. Okay, you want a peaceful resolution. You are fed up of all this nonsense. You are fed up of all the toxicity, negativity. You are fed up of all the games. So now you want a peaceful resolution. Now you want a peaceful solution to a problem that you guys were facing in this connection. This is all you want from them. Okay, you want them to leave the past behind, leave the past baggage behind, and restart and have a peaceful connection, have a peaceful restart, and let's see where it is going kind of energy. Okay, you want them in your life. Definitely you want them in your life, but you want them to work on this connection. You are tired now. You are right now very stressed. You are like, I'm giving up. I am no longer interested in games and anything like that. I'm just giving up. I want you to work on this connection now. This is what you want from them. Page of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. Yeah. You want to communicate with this person. You want to have a brand new beginning in this connection. You want to offer them friendship. You want to offer them this connection, but you are stressed. You are very stressed. See, this is Six of Swords and this is Nine of Swords. You are thinking a lot. It's like you are overthinking about this connection. You are not able to decide anything about this connection. And what you want from this person, you want a clarity. You want a clarity from this person. They want a clarity from your side also. They want you to take a decision, and they want you to take a decision that is, that they want. This is kind of difficult. Okay, they want you to understand their things. They don't want to understand what you feel or what you want. They want you to understand what they feel and what they are going through and what they want in this connection. This is what they want. And what you want is, you want a peaceful solution to this particular problem, because this is like draining you now, Taurus. This is draining you now. So now you're like, okay, if you're not into this, just let me go. If you're into this, just stay and be in a peaceful and calm manner, and let's move forward. Okay, so it's Ace of Wands is here, Ace of Cups is here, Ace of Pentacles is here. Lots of brand new beginnings from your side as well, from their side as well. Both of you want a brand new beginning in this connection, but I don't see any one of you is initiating that. This is the problem. Okay, let me see what action they are going to take till the end of November. Let me see what to expect from this person till the end of November. Just give me a second. Yeah, what to expect from this person till the end of November. Let's see. What to expect from this person till the end of November. Universe, please guide me. Ace of, again it's Ace of Pentacles. They're coming in with a brand new offer. It's like a friendship offer. I don't say this is I have to clarify. I feel like they are going to offer you some kind of friendship. They will be like, okay, let's restart, let's forget about the past, let's fuck the past and let's restart. I feel they are going to take action. Might be you guys were not talking to each other, or you guys were not in a solid commitment relationship in the recent past. Now this person wants to restart because they are trying to understand your point of view. Finally they are starting to realize that this is what you want, and they feel like, yeah, they also need the same, they also want the same from you. Okay, let me clarify. I am right now I'm feeling the presence of angels near me. I can see the orbs. I don't know. Yeah, this is like, if any one of you can see orbs, or if you, any one of you can see colors around me or something like that, please let me know. This will be very, very helpful for me. See, when I'm shuffling the cards, it's like orbs are there. Can you see? Can you see? I know it's lighting kind of energy. Some of you are going to make me understand the science behind this, the reflection kind of thing. I got it. But sometimes you feel special. You do. Okay, let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Coming to the point, the Tower, the Two of Wands, and the King of Cups. They will suddenly realize. This person will suddenly realize that they have lots of love for you and they can't wait any longer. They have a sudden realization that they can't wait and they should not wait, and they should come towards you because they have lots of love for you. So I feel like this person is coming back to you because they will suddenly realize that they have lots of love for you. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, Taurus. Bye bye.